Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and hard disk drive assembly. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad board ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the four 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad board bracket to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board bracket off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Remove the three 2mm P0 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board off of the alignment pins and remove the retention tabs from the cutouts in the top cover. Remove the touchpad board. Reverse this procedure to install the touchpad board.